The EverBank Performance Checking account stands out for anyone looking to get a little more from their checking without the usual hassles and hidden costs. This account offers a solid 0.25% APY across all balances, which is notably higher than what most checking accounts are paying right now. No matter how much is in the account, that rate stays the same. And it's a nice bonus on money that's just sitting there waiting to be spent. There's also no monthly maintenance fee, so there's no need to stress about keeping track of fine print or jumping through hoops to dodge extra charges. Access to funds and banking features is really flexible. The account only takes $100 to open, and after that, there's no minimum balance to worry about. For folks who are always moving or need their money on the go, it's easy to transfer, pay bills online, make mobile check deposits with the app, and send money with Zelle. One highlight is the wide ATM network. EverBank gives free access to over 80,000 ATMs, so there's rarely a worry about finding a fee-free ATM. If an out-of-network ATM is used, EverBank reimburses up to $15 in fees each month. That reimbursement is unlimited if there's at least $5,000 as an average daily balance, so higher balance users get an even bigger benefit. Security and peace of mind matter, and EverBank backs up its offering with strong protections against fraud and unauthorized transactions. Accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor, adding another level of reassurance for anyone concerned about their money's safety. The bank has also built a reputation for financial strength and reliability, making it a safe option for checking needs. It isn't all perfect, though. The account doesn't come with an overdraft program. There aren't fees for going over, but that also means any attempt to make a purchase without enough in the account will probably just get declined. While that approach can help people avoid expensive penalties, it could be frustrating in a situation where a transaction really needs to go through. Also, the interest rate, while higher than many checking options, is variable, so it could change over time depending on market rates. All in all, the EverBank Performance Checking account is a practical choice for anyone who wants to earn interest, avoid monthly fees, and has a need for easy, flexible access to their cash. The IDM network and fee reimbursements are a big plus, especially for people on the move or who travel regularly. Keep in mind, though, that the lack of overdraft protection could create issues if funds run low, and the APY is not fixed. For everyday banking, with a few extra perks, this account delivers real value. But always remember the risks around variable interest and transaction limits if you're considering it as your primary checking option.